Cas9 universal sensor for DNA repair. The Cas9 universal sensor for DNA repair offers real-time detection for DNA mismatch correction. We use this during in vitro DNA mismatch repair experiments. In our setup, DNA containing an incorrect nucleotide cannot be bound by the fluorescently labeled Cas9. First, the mismatched DNA molecule gets corrected by the E. coli DNA mismatch repair proteins. When the sequence is restored, Cas9 binds the DNA and undergoes conformational change. That brings the two fluorescent labels on the protein in close proximity and leads to energy transfer between them. This FRET signal can be recorded in a spectrofluoriometer.